Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to open a BMW i3 front hood. First, make sure your i3 is parked securely. You'll find the primary hood release lever inside the cabin, typically on the driver's side, near the footwell. Give it a firm pull. You should hear a distinct click as the hood unlatches. This initial step prepares the hood for its full opening. Now, walk to the front of your BMW i3. You'll need to locate the secondary safety latch. This is usually found directly under the front edge of the hood, often slightly off-center. Gently lift the hood a small amount and feel for this latch. Once you find it, push it to the side, or sometimes up, to fully disengage the locking mechanism. With the secondary latch released, you can now lift the front hood completely open. The i3's hood is relatively light, so it should open with ease. Some models may have a prop rod to hold it open. If yours does, make sure to secure it properly in its designated slot. Now you have full access to the various service points, like the windshield washer fluid reservoir. To close the hood, simply lower it gently until it rests on the latching mechanism. Then, apply firm, even pressure with both hands on the front edge of the hood, directly above the latches, until you hear it click securely into place. Always double-check that it's fully latched before driving. For more great tips and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description for the link and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.